Hey, this is Sharon at Cold Creek Nurseries, and we are so excited. We finally got in the redbuds we've been waiting on. So just got in a brand new shipment today, and we got in the Flamethrower Redbud, which all of y'all have been asking for. These are in 7 gallons, and they are really a nice size. These get about 15 to 20 feet by about 15 feet. They will take full sun. I think they like a little bit of afternoon break for them to really thrive. I think they do better with a little afternoon shade. And they bloom. These are one of the first things that bloom in the spring with those beautiful fuchsia little tiny blooms all up and down the stems. The Flamethrower is unique. It can have anywhere from green, chartreuse, orange to red leaves on it any time of the year, and they really put a pop in your yard. So these things are fantastic. And then the other group we got in is the Rising Sun Redbud, and this one is a little bit shorter than Flamethrower. It gets about 10 to 15 feet tall and 10 to 15 feet wide, so it's really going to pack a punch in your landscape. Makes great for a specimen tree right in the middle of the yard. Same thing with this one. It's going to want that little bit of afternoon break for it to really thrive and to color up. But you can see on this one, it's got the green leaves, and it goes to chartreuse to yellow to almost a pinky peachy color on that new growth, and they are just beautiful. Same bloom in March, nice fuchsia pink, and this is just a fantastic tree. Everybody should have a redbud in their garden.